Do you want to pass your building inspection? According to industry experts, there's over 33 physical problems that come under scrutiny and during a home inspection when a home is for sale. A new report has been prepared which identifies the most common of these problems that you should know about before you list your home and not after. Whether you own an old home or a brand new one, there are a number of things that can fall short of requirements during the home inspection. And if not identified and dealt with, any of these items could cost you dearly in terms of repair. And that's why it's critical that you read this report before you list your home. If you wait until after you list your home for sale and the building inspector flags these issues for you, you could almost certainly experience costly delays in the close of your home sale, or even worse, turn a prospective buyer away altogether. In most cases, you can make a reasonable pre-inspection yourself, and if you know what you're looking for, and knowing what you're looking for can help you prevent little problems from growing into costly and unmanageable ones. To help the home seller deal with this issue before her home is listed for sale, a free report entitled 11 Things You Need to Know to Pass a Home Inspection has been compiled to explain the issues involved. And if you're planning on putting your home on the market within the next 12 months, you could request a copy of this report by simply leaving your mailing address after the tone. To make sure we send you the right information to help you in your current situation, be sure to indicate which report you want to receive. If you're planning on making a move in the next 6 months or less, there are several steps you need to take immediately in order to prepare your home for sale. So if you plan to move within 6 months or less, please ask for report number 1. If it will be longer than 6 months, you want to sell before you sell, the option you can have the choices to make to be a little bit broader. So if you plan to sell longer than 6 months, please ask for report number 2. Again, to receive a free copy of this report, please leave your mailing address after the tone. Please remember to speak slowly and spell any uncommon names. My phone number is there with the extension for French or English. Thank you for calling and get ready to leave your message.